Welcome traders, we are looking at the Dow on the weekly chart. So I want to just go through what I'm seeing here and just to give you my views on this lovely channel on this weekly chart. This is the fibs, so we had a 127 pullback back in September. We breached the channel and then held and then pushed straight back up close to the top of the channel. What I'm seeing here is a potential little distribution pattern up here. That hangman tends to create a bit of a downdraft, and I'm looking to see if we can get some symmetry from this area here, which saw us come back down to the trend line. So we could come all the way down to about 16,500, around about the 17,000 mark, and still have this channel intact. We're sitting on a monthly pivot there, that little yellow line's a monthly pivot, so any crack below this level here, we go to the daily now, and that could spell an opportunity to see that drop. I anticipated some short-term bearishness at the weekend video, which I hope you saw, and so a lower close on the Monday is not a good start. Very weak on the data front, very little data at the moment. So whichever way we break out of that today's range, I think will be the move for the foreseeable days and possibly a week or more. Right, possibly into February. But I'm looking, what I'm seeing here is some weakness at the top and a distribution pattern at the moment, and not seeing the bulls really stepping in to mop this up. Let's have a look at Alcoa, because we've had the first main company reporting today, so let's see what's happened. Okay, so the financial report for Alcoa was slightly better than expected, and so we close this gap up here, and then we are sitting there up there. That looks good. Let's just look at one or two in that sector while we're at it. This is CENX, Century Aluminium, and basic support and resistance. I like this. This is a nice box, and we're holding up here. I would just look to see if I can pick up, I'll give this another day, but if I can pick up 22.17 and it holds, then I'll look to see if we can get to the top of that box. But massive move up here last year, nice pullback into October, and he started getting into a lot of chop, but on the whole I think that's good. Always dangerous, a little bit dangerous when you're between the 50 and the 200 EMA, which we are here. But so I'm not going to chase that market, I'm just going to stand aside and see how that settles down. But CENX looks good. Right, quick look at the currencies. So we've got US inflation on US retail sales Wednesday and US inflation on Friday. So this is a stopping bar on the 50 EMA. This is potentially a nice bullish consolidation. When you get a big sweep up like that, markets do need to come back and test the 50 EMA every now and again. So if we hold here, again, not chasing the market, let's just see if we can hold it around this area. We've got a lot of resistance at 119, and if we can hold, then we can possibly get back up. But on the face of it, I do think that is good, although it's a bit disconcerting to see how much we sold off when we tested 119.35. And pound yen is the same, no man's land. Pound Aussie dollar was probably one of the biggest movers today. Again, I'm not going to chase this market. The Sunday open was 185. And we are up there at 186, so I'm just going to hold fire and see if I can get a pullback to that 185, because this is a nice move. We've got a good 250 points on this today, so I'm going to sit tight and just wait and see if 155 can hold, and then see if that can push back up. Right, little look around the markets. Euro, US, waiting for ECB. We've got a big day on Wednesday for the ruling on ECB easing, and that dropped to under 140. That's euro yen, and then held at 140. Euro CAD. CAD's very, very weak, as you can see in the US dollar CAD. I think that will be interesting at 142.50 area. That's a big fib area, has a lot of resistance, at which point it could roll over. Let's have a look at the DAX. So I just back flicking to the DAX at the moment, and that's not bad. That's better than the Dow, but a lot of resistance here. And I think we're sort of trapped. I feel as if we're boxed in here between this resistance up here, this 50 MA down here, and there's a lot going on here. So I think we may just, I certainly think we're going to wait till Wednesday. Alright, so take it easy tomorrow. It's very light on data, and I'm looking for a pullback in the pound Aussie dollar, looking to see if the US dollar yen can hold, and euro yen to see if that is going to break the 140. But again, Wednesday is going to be the day for that. Alright, hope that helps, and look forward to seeing you on the next review. Thanks for watching.